Good morning, futures traders. It is Friday, August 5th, 2022. The time is 9:41. I am getting running. I just had oil. I did oil a few minutes ago. I did the ES earlier. Marked it right there. Let's see if I could text it. Oh, markers only. There. I hit it right there just a few seconds ago before I started the video. So we're going to hit this one. We're going to use the old 5 and 20. Okay. We're going to go here.
Order filled.
Yep. Here's a push down.
Order canceled.
Let's do a runner finally today. These are just short little quick moves.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's about a $1,400 deal difference. We'll have to wait for a more opportune time. 23. I'll take it, but I'd rather have a little bit more. I know it's capable. There's a zone right here. It's 9:43. So we should be doing a reversal pretty quick. It went up, came down, so she should go up. Oh, you're not going down. There's no room to go down. You're right at support. Watch it break that trend line. Yep. '53s, '54s, '52s, '51s. Sellers are just holding it up. Buyers aren't in there aggressively yet. Actually, it is a freaking vine. Yeah, it's pulling down to the 38. Support is at 13.245. Right there. So unless it blows right down through it, it's going up. It touched here and took off from it. Didn't like it. See? As soon as, yeah, this one's closing. That little bar closed. institutions should be coming in pretty quick. Yeah, they're buying it. Well, it ain't breaking any world speed records. Oil after this move here. Which one did I get? Yeah, after that second up. Well, no, actually, it was quite a few. I didn't get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, seventh move up. That's really stretching it. They must have wanted to buy it. Well, it went down pretty good hard too. The pre-market. I think it's starting to lose a little steam because it's not getting as high. Target for most longs are at 90.84, right about here. See if the NQ now can get some more. It's doing a little pullback right to that 21, the 55, I believe I've got that on. Yeah, the 55-day moving average, DEMA, they call it. Maybe it'll use that as a springboard. 58, 59, 57, 58. It's going between it. 57, 56. See if we can gather up some momentum. Come on. See how much is support? Right to the 45. Right there. So, are you going to bouncy bounce? Or go through it? Went through it. Yep, it's going right to the 38 line. 38 is right there. Yep. Next one is the 50%. Wow. They just sold the shit out of it. So you gonna do a pullback? We're still in the summer trading hours. After the open, it pretty much dies down, kind of. After about 11, 10:30, 11, we're hitting 9:51. I didn't look at the volume yet. Let's see here. If I got it up there. No, I guess I don't. Market analyzer. Do I? There it is. Guess I do have it up there. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's a light day. ES hasn't cracked a million yet. The NQ is only 307,000, and oil's light too, but it's moving. All right. Sorry, it's gonna be a long one. I should hit the pause. I've got to figure out how to do that on my Filmora. There we go. Well, looks like unless it hits here, I'm gonna call this good. I guess $5,000 for the day isn't too bad for a Friday.
Order filled.
Here we go. 42, 44. See some 42s. How about 41? Yeah, 40 is even better. And to 39, because that's where I entered. Come on, 38s.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I can dig that. 34s, 33. Let's go 33s. No.
Order canceled.
Hesitation. Hesitation. Okay. Suppose I could just sit here and peck away at it, but I've got to get some sleep sooner or later, so I'm gonna. At least I got 690 here. See what the total is. Minus 122. So 690 minus 122 equals 568. That's 21,000 for the month if you do that every day for the month. Oil. That is 135, 260.44 minus 135. That's 2,500. That's not bad. It's 80,000 for the month. And our beautiful little NQ. 5,000. Oh boy. Yeah, that hit me with commission. 5,070 minus 244. That's 4,800. And that's 154,000 for the month. So roughly, let's see here, plus, what did I say there? What did I say? 26. So yeah, 26,500. So 7,800, just a little under 8,000. Took a little longer today, but 759. Can't sneeze at that. It really wasn't anything spectacular. But the Ripper X did its job. All right. Thank you for watching. I will keep making the videos. Thanks.